Morning guys, Scotty from Airborne Solutions. We're just loading up. Only a little morning spraying because it's going to get windy and it's right at the start of the season, but Lance and I are going to go and spray some carrots. We'll take you along for the ride, and Jamie is going to spray the first of our apples for the season, so 9 hectares of apples. So take you along for the ride with us and show you everything that we do and how cool drone spraying is. So this block out here is 2 hectares. We've got the 60 litre drone. It's only, yeah, like we said, it's only a really small job, but important for this grower. We're going to do it, we could do it in 4 loads of 50, but really cold morning here, the batteries are really cold, so we'll just do 40 litre loads to keep the load off the batteries until they warm up. It's really important to look after your big expensive LiPo batteries, but still only take half an hour or so to do it. As you can see, I get stuck with the old gear. This is our Mark 1 trailer. Still very functional and works really well. Been on the road like 18 months or so now. Yeah, still gets the job done. Got our job sheet here. Client name. Always important to do a good risk assessment before you start any job. Like we've got pickers and pruners over in that. Sorry, not pickers at this time of year, but we have pruners over there possibly. And yeah, it's a busy part of the world, these flats, with a lot going on. So rightio, so we made our field here, and I just thumbed it out on Google Earth because it's a nice small field and you can see the boundaries are nice and easy to identify. And we've got a perfect offset point here. We're just going to click on the dot there, and then we're going to use our camera to face down, stand back, hover it over the corner of the shed there. Perfect. Correct it to the drone. You'll see our maps bumped a little bit. Now we're nice in the line, and we've got rid of the errors that come with operating on Google Earth. Now we're back on the ground, we hit complete. We're going to use we're doing 100 litres a hectare here. So we're going to use we're going to slow down a bit. We can do about 8 metres a second at 100 litres a hectare. We're going to use a 4.5 metre swath to get really good coverage at these high water rates. And we are going to now change our water rate and allow 100. Look at that. Nice fine droplet for fungicide. Operation route 3.5, route spacing 3.5. We're going to get really close to the edges to make sure it does a really good job. We're going to come and go at full speed. No need to waste time. We're going to leave the safety point on because we've got the shed there, so it's good practice to let the drone come in and out from the same point. Also makes it really easy to reload. The other thing we'll do is we will do a boundary, because this is a really high value crop, so we want to make sure we do a really good job on it. So now we're going to do, now the drone at the end is going to spray with one nozzle autonomously around the whole field boundary. And I could add and remove points as I want. To be honest, it actually doesn't need that that number 8, because it's already doing one along there anyway. Now we're doing the whole boundary minus number 8. Double check, double check. Drone following's all on. Right, we're ready to rip in. Chuck a load in. With your drone trailer, like, systems are almost more important than your drone, really, or your capacity of your drone. If you have really sharp systems, it means the drone's not on the ground for long at all. You'll be going well. Like we said, it's running about 1 or 2 degrees here, so we're going to look after our batteries, and we're just going to do 40 litre load for a start. So our block's all made, we are ready to rip in. Here a nice light load on those blades for a start. You see one of the cons here are marking on Google Earth. You'll notice we're probably a little bit further out from where the crop actually is. So we've got in here, obviously, if we want to change our height a bit, you know, we're probably a little bit higher than we need to be, so we'll just bump it down to 3. See the drone's dropped a little bit. Primo coverage. Heavy grower. So we've done 2 loads on that battery set, cold loads, just done 100 litres. Got all our settings here, nice and easy. You can split the phone off. There's obviously the P100 Pro, which is a battleship. We've done a lot of hectares with them now, and they're an awesome machine. You've got obviously all your return to homes. You've got emergency land in place. Change all of our water rates, whatever we want to do there. Mapping on Google Earth is quite a quick and easy way to do it. You got to pick and choose when you utilise that ability. Like this was an easy paddock to see on the Google, and we had a really good offset point with the shed, so I can be really happy with how accurate it's going to be. And you can see when it's down in the far end, it's making that hedge blow a little bit, so it's really close to it without actually hitting it bang on, you could say. The drone's empty, level sensor's kicked it off itself, controller starts beeping, it's returning to home on its own at 50 k's an hour. Now these batteries have had one load and one charge, so they can go to full loads, they're nice and warm. Obviously, as spray drone operators, we're always out there we're always helping and grow, or there's a reason that we're doing what we're doing. These are seed carrots. So New Zealand exports a lot of seeds for carrots all over the world. It's something around 50% because of our latitude. We're in a really good climate to grow seed carrots. So there's 2 hectares, won't be harvested for the actual carrot itself. It'll wait till it's all grown up, gone to seed. Then that'll be taken off and shipped all over the world. So pretty cool to be helping grow all sorts of different crops. Out there doing it.